The Lower American River watershed, spanning 30 miles from Folsom Dam to its junction with the Sacramento River, is designated a recreational river under state and federal laws, serving as a vital urban green space. Despite its urban setting in Sacramento, the river is protected by the American River Parkway, nurturing over 40 fish species, including steelhead trout and salmon. However, some locations along the river have E. coli levels exceeding California's water quality standards, posing a health risk to recreational users. To address the issue, a task force was formed comprising local and state agencies such as the Sacramento Stormwater Quality Partnership, Sacramento County Regional Parks, Sacramento Area Sewer District, and the Central Valley Water Board. Working with experts, they developed a genetic marking source tracking framework for the river.
So we had a lot of unique perspectives. We had the Regional Water Board, county parks, the stormwater partners, and then SacSewer. And so we had all these unique perspectives and challenges, but we all came together because we had this one unifying goal. Those perspectives together, it ensured that we had an accurate and holistic picture of what the potential problem could be.
I think it's important to understand, not to be too reactive. And really the issue was we were being asked to react to a problem that we didn't quite understand. And so investing money, time, and scientific resources in understanding really what the root causes were was so key to developing the next stage, which is tracking down the problem and trying to solve it. Thankfully, we had a lot of willing partners that were with us to understand the issue, take a scientific approach, and really better use the best available technology to get to the bottom of what was causing these concerns.
Measuring E. coli levels gives water managers information regarding the presence of fecal pollution and potential for pathogens that may be harmful to people. We test for E. coli in order to determine whether water quality is safe for recreation and supporting beneficial uses in the rivers and lakes around our region. E. coli from these sources could potentially enter the river by runoff from land, stormwater conveyances, activities associated with camping, leaking sewer lines, human recreation, failing septic systems, and bird activity. California has adopted statewide water quality objectives for E. coli that water bodies should meet in order to protect people engaging in water recreational activities from potential illness.
The methodology used in this study was based on the SCWRP source tracking manual, which was developed for the state of California. And this actually lays out a method that you follow sequentially to determine what the sources are in your particular location. So using a sampling scheme where we sample upstream and downstream of hotspots allows us to zero in on locations where E. coli is increasing and narrow our search for potential sources. And so in this case, we use the E. coli as our first cut, and then as a secondary thing, we look at source-specific markers. So we're measuring the genetic signature from bacteria that are specific to certain sources such as humans or other animals.
During phase 1 of the study in 2019, 307 samples were collected from Paradise Beach to Sutter's Landing Park, including storm sewer discharges. Phase 2 in 2021, 389 samples were collected from Sutter's Landing Park to Tiscornia Beach, revealing that sources of E. coli are primarily from birds and dogs with minimal human sources. The study results will aid water managers in identifying high E. coli areas, enhancing visitor safety. Important practices include consistent pet waste cleanup. The water boards will continue to monitor recreational sites with the results available online. Visitors should be cautious, consulting resources like Sacramento County's Health Habits for Swimming. While birds contribute to E. coli, their presence is natural, necessitating proactive risk management for safe river enjoyment.